Well, here we are at Module 6 of the Anamorphic Cookbook. This time we're sponsored by SmallRig, so we have lots of SmallRig parts all around. My main visual references for this module were the cramped garage and the found footage time travel project almanac, as well as the classy high-tech labs and gadgets from Ex Machina. Just by looking around, you can tell which reference got more weight. Yep, it was Project Almanac. I filmed at my sister's garage, which meant bringing in all my gear to dress this place, plus hiding and cleaning a ton of stuff that was there already. Srini Madhavan did the hard work of translating the lighting from the reference to our set, so let's talk about that for a second. In Project Almanac, we have a very strong top light bouncing off a center table, and contrasty green/teal tones for the environments and backlight, plus generally warmer tones on the characters. I'm going to quickly walk through the lighting setup that we made, and hopefully that can inspire you on how to shoot inside of a garage. The first thing we have here is a SmallRig 220B, so it's a bicolor LED light, and we have a lantern on it. It's being armed over on a C-stand, and it's creating a very special pocket of light for when I'm sitting on the table. The SmallRig 220B is a lightweight and affordable light which delivered more than enough output for our table setup, and the lantern attachment for the Bowens mount comes with this nice skirt that is key to control the spread of the light while still keeping it as a large soft source. Up here we got a 2-foot quasar tube with cyan for some nice backlight. And the rest of the key is being done by 2 more quasar tubes. One of them is temperature locked, so we kind of evened it out using the snow blanket. If we go on the other side, we have this very cool greenish bluish window, which is the SmallRig 450B. The 450B delivers twice the power of the 220B, and that let us place it much further from set, through obstacles and gels to project almost parallel and definitely less sourcey light around the environment. Out here is our nice background setup kind of thing. Just a variety of items that we're gonna go through as we're walking and talking about B-roll. And the last part, 120 tungsten, because we ran out of light. The camera we're using is the S1H, and we're filming on the Viltrox Epic lenses. I hope you stay tuned and watch the following episodes.